Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a video to your Canva presentation. And I think video is a great type of content that will capture your audience attention because after all, it is a moving picture and sometimes it is better to just explain some ideas or some concept with a video if you cannot do it with just voice or some picture. So here how you can upload, or maybe you can select a video on Canva library and you can add that to your Canva presentation. First, you have two options. You can either upload a video from your computer. You can go to this menu and then you can upload your file. Or you can also select a video from the available library on Canva. There are a lot of videos, especially if you are using the premium version. You should be able to access dozens of high quality videos that could be relevant to your presentation, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just search some videos about office meeting and I will insert this video to this laptop mockup. Let's navigate to videos and I'm going to select a video that is free because I'm using the free version. If you have premium version, you will have more videos available, but that's okay. Let's say I want to add this video, and what I need to do is I can just click on this video and it would be inserted into the slide. That's one way to do that, but I want to put this into the laptop mockup here. So let's drag and drop that right into that element, and you will see that this video is now in this laptop mockup, and I think it looks beautiful. If you present the presentation, the video should play automatically by default. And that's exactly what we want. So that's how you can add a video to your Canva presentation.